When you know your value, opportunities come to you. 8 affirmations for magnetic career energy. Let's start. I am highly sought after. I am highly sought after. I can attract perfect jobs. I can attract perfect jobs. I draw opportunities to me. I draw opportunities to me. People want to hire me. People want to hire me. Every day I attract offers. Every day I attract offers. Today, jobs find me. Today, jobs find me. I am valuable. I am valuable. I will find a great position. I will find a great position. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.